How to get the reply option on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the reply option on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. So just open Instagram right here and see what I'm talking about. So this is the reply option. I'm just going to open the conversations within the app, and if you want to reply to a certain message, you just want to press and hold a certain message, or you can also swipe to the right on a certain message like this, and you can type in any reply you want, and that will only reply to that specific message. So that will be specified to that certain message from your friend. So if you don't have this option, the first thing that we're going to check is if your Instagram is up to date. So just visit your App Store or Play Store and just type in Instagram right here and click on Instagram. Now if it says update right here, just click on that. As you can see, it says update. Just click on that, and so you will have the latest features, including the reply option on Instagram. However, if it says open, that means that your Instagram is currently up to date, so you should have the reply option. However, if your Instagram app is up to date but you don't have this option yet, the second way I'm going to suggest is go back to your Instagram application and click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, and click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner. So if you still don't have this option, you should see update messaging right below the COVID-19 Information Center option right here. So you should see somewhere from these options that says update messaging or somewhere along those lines. So just click on that, and you should have the reply option after updating your messaging. So if you still don't have the option after doing that, the next thing that we're going to do is to report this problem to the staff of Instagram. So to do that, just click on the 3-bar line at the top right corner again and click on settings. And click on this help option below the account. Click on report a problem and click on report problem without shaking. So just briefly explain how you don't have the reply option. Like, I don't have the reply option. Just click on next, and you can also upload media files right here to support your problem, such as not having the reply option. So that is it for the second way. And the last resort is to reinstall the app. So just go back to your homepage, just press and hold Instagram, click on remove app, and just visit your app store again and install the Instagram app. But take note that this will delete all your draft posts or reels or any other drafts within the application. So that's how you can basically get the reply option on Instagram. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.